talk about the difference between attach and flatten. For this example, I'm going to make a bookmark. I'm going to go into my shapes and grab a square, and then I'm going to unlock it over here so that I can make it, let's go 1, maybe 5 by 7. Okay, and then I want the fill to be a print. And then I'm going to go to advanced under the colors. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted. Sorry, I wanted to go to pattern. So now I can put a pattern on it. So I don't even have to have pattern paper. I can just pick a fun pattern and have that go right on my shape. Okay, so now I have that shape. Now I'm going to duplicate this so that we can have 2. And since I said I want this to be a bookmark, I want to put a little hole up in the top where I can attach a tassel. So some people have said, oh, just flatten it and that'll work. And I've heard some people say, oh, attach it, and that'll work. And I'm going to show you what the difference is. Okay, so I made the circle. And now I'm going to select both the circle and the bookmark. And I want to align the circle to be horizontal. Come on, go. And now it moved to the center. Okay? So I am going to attach that circle. So I click attach down here. Okay, so now this one, I'm going to change the color of this one to be yellow, just so that when I finish up this tutorial, you'll be able to see the one with the yellow we know is the one I'm going to flatten. Okay, so now if I align that to center that there, boop, it moves it over. And, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's undo. Love undo, because I could just put it right back where it was. There we go. Okay, so now if I click on this, click on both of them, go flatten. Okay, so now if we go make it, this shows our image, and it looks like there's both a yellow dot one and a gray dot one there, right? I go continue and send to my printer. When I look at my actual printer preview, that gray dot's not there. So now you can't see what's going on because it's going to the printer, so I'm going to stop the video and the rest of this will pick up with the tutorial on my blog.